Assalamu alaikum friends, we are back with another video. Today we are going to talk about Vivo Y3. But before the start of the video, I request you please subscribe my this channel and press the bell icon and check out my website and my other channel links are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, Chinese tech Vivo announces its Y3 to be launched very soon in China in near future. If we have a look at the recent past of the company, it seems that the company has released its production at great deal, and the Vivo Y3 shows that the company is not going to break even for a short while. One of the most important thing about the company is that it produces good budget phones. Vivo's Y3 looks a quality handset specifications wise, but the specifications suggest that the handset will be mid-range. It is powered by the MediaTek Helio P35 chipset. The chipset of the Vivo Y3 is the powerful one, being a mid-range handset that has a built-in Imaginations Power VR GE8320, the same GPU used in the Helio P22. The Vivo introduces a triple rear camera setup in its Vivo Y3 to close the distance between the flagship and mid-range smartphones. The main sensor of that triple rear squad is 13 megapixel. The ultra-wide sensor of the upcoming Y3 is 8 megapixel and the depth sensor is 2 megapixels. The front of the screen of the handset holds an 8 megapixel front-facing camera to take selfies with it, and the size of the display screen of Y3 is 6.35 inches. That will Full HD plus resolution of 1544 by 720 pixels. The bezels look slim and screen has a host water drop notch design as it holds the front facing camera. And the Vivo Y3 packed with a big battery setup that will give you a 5000 mAh capacity to keep you connected to your smartphone for a long time. The upcoming smartphone that is known as Y3 by Vivo has got a dimension of 153.45 by 76.77 by 8.92 millimeter, and it weighs 190.5 gram. One of the leaked render of the Vivo Y3 also confirmed that the handset is packed with a rear muted fingerprint scanner. Now we can say that we have a good competition at hands between this company and Samsung.